Alrighty, welcome back to another trade recap. Jesus. Today I took a short on the S&P 500, and I kind of want to just run you through my mindset going into the day and really what I was looking for. So, first things first, let's go over to NQ. So, coming into market open. All right, here we go. Right here. All right, so coming into market open, what I wanted to see coming into market open was I wanted to see. So, this is what we looked like coming into market open, right? We have taken all-time highs once again. In the overnight session, we had pumped up from FOMC and taken all-time highs once again. And now we also have had our manipulation on the 15-minute, right? And we have had that 15-minute change in state to the downside. So if we look at the 4-hour, we have this unfilled 4-hour bullish for value gap that I would want to see price rebalance to then move higher, right? So that was kind of my bias coming into market open on the higher time frame. I was bullish bias, however, I wanted to see a rebalance. So what I wanted to see was I wanted to see price rebalance to this 15-minute fair value gap, this unfilled 15-minute bearish fair value gap, keeping these lows intact before market open. So rebalance to this 15-minute bearish fair value gap, keeping these lows intact and this fair value gap intact, rebalance, and then have our move lower to go and rebalance to this fair value gap on the higher time frame. So let's zoom in. So at market open, right, we come up, we kind of, and then we build price action, and we tap into this fair value gap. Now, we take this internal high as well. So getting off of NQ, if you take a look over at ES, which is where I took my trade, at this point in time, hold on. We'll go right here. Okay. So at this point in time, if we look at ES, we are very close and closer to taking these lows than NQ is, right? NQ is way up in the range. ES is close to taking these lows. So I don't want to take this on NQ. Reason being is because if I take this on NQ, most likely ES is going to take these lows before NQ, and we're going to have a bullish S&P. So I'm going to be taking a short with a high time frame bullish S&P, which is something that I do not want to do. So I move over to ES and I see if I can take anything internally. Again, I wanted to see a rebalance to this 15-minute for value gap to then take a short. However, we had this unfilled 5-minute right here. And if we kind of just play through price here, market opens, right? Market opens right here. We take this internal low and I mark out buy side right here. And this high is going to tell me a lot. If we sweep it, most likely we're going to come down and take out sell side and possibly Asia, right? If we don't, if we displace through this 5-minute, I can probably assume that most likely we're going to come up to this 15-minute, build more price action to then move lower, right? So I just want to watch and see what we do with this high. So what do? We come up, we sweep it. Okay, we sweep this high. I mark out this fair value gap, this 1-minute bullish fair value gap. I want to see what we do. We run through this 1 minute and we close below the change of the state on the 1 minute. So I enter short with my break even at this internal low and targeting sell side, right? Just for a little one-to-one, my stop was a little below this recent high right here and targeting sell side. So break even gets hit and then sell side gets hit. And that was the trade I took today. Hold on, let me show you guys my executions. Oh, fuck, I gotta log into my broker. Executions, right here. So, that was my trade I took today. I took One short on the S&P 500. I was done by, what time was this? 7:41. So I was done 10 minutes into market open. Made around $500 today. Nothing crazy. But yeah, that was the short I took today. Very easy scalp. Very clear. And again, I could have targeted Asia, right? But I just wanted to take what I was confident in, right? Because once ES takes this low, we're going to have a bullish S&T now. So what I'm expecting when we take this low is an immediate reversal to then go higher, right? To possibly rebound to this 15-minute for value gap, and then we dump off and we go take Asia. So I just wanted to take my full position off at sell side. That's why I didn't also target Asia for possibly an extra con. But yeah, that was my trade today. I'm up around $500 on the day. I hope you guys enjoyed this trade recap. I hope you guys learned something from this, and I will catch you guys in the next one.